Hi, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist and medical director of Hair Center, Kurnool. Today, we will be talking about hair loss treatment by Regenera Activa. Almost all of us suffer from hair loss at some point in our life. The most common cause of hair loss is androgenetic alopecia, more commonly known as male or female pattern baldness or hair loss. It affects approximately 80 to 90% of men and 40 to 50% of women. Regenera Activa is recommended for androgenetic alopecia. Regenera Activa is the latest and advanced innovative non-surgical hair growth treatment that is based on capillary regenerative technology to combat hair loss. It uses your own body's ability to produce new hair. Regenera Activa is a painless procedure and needs to be done only one time. It is extremely safe since the stem cells are taken from the patient's own body and the regenericons used are US FDA approved. This treatment is suitable for both men and women. Regenera Activa is a 3-step procedure that takes 30 minutes of your time. Step 1. Wherein the local anesthesia of plain 2% lidocaine is given in the selected donor area, that is retroauricular area of the scalp. Three small skin samples are taken from the scalp. Step 2. The samples are mechanically processed by the Regenera Activa device, which isolates a few hundred to thousands of progenitor cells or stem cells that have potent regenerative capability to produce the hair. Step 3. The solution that contains these cells is then injected into the recipient area of the scalp that suffer from hair loss. Hence, the procedure is quick and effective, does not have any discomfort or downtime. You can resume your daily activities immediately after the treatment. Who are all benefited from Regenera Activa treatment? Any patient suffering from pattern hair loss?
Any patient who is not willing or unable to come for multiple sessions of PRP or who could not find results with PRP.
Any patient who is not willing to undergo hair transplant surgery, or patient who have undergone hair transplant surgery, PRP, derma roller, etc. and want further strengthening of hair follicles.
Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.